Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can untrack your quests in Fisch. So for instance, you have quests here and you just want to remove them because you don't want to do those quests. You are able to remove them. So if you go to the quest book here, you're able to untrack the quests. So just press untrack and then press untrack again. They will still be in your quest book. They just won't be on your screen anymore. As you can see, so it's out of your way. And yeah, that is how you can untrack your quests on Fisch, and how you can also track it again. So yeah, the quest book is pretty new to me. I used to play this game, but then I stopped playing, but now I'm playing it again. So I don't know. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.